to Avanishville. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. But before we get started, I'm going to be telling you this, that in order to make a YouTube thumbnails in Canva, you probably need pro features, as I'm going to be showing you one that requires a pro feature, and to get a pro feature you need to pay Canva a few dollars a month or a few cents, I don't know. So if you don't have a pro features, I do not recommend you watching this unless you're gonna get pro features. You want to make a gaming YouTube channel that needs a thumbnail, then you could watch this, I guess. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here in this search box here, in that's below what will you design today here, we're gonna click that. I'm gonna be searching YouTube thumbnails. Yep. And you're gonna press enter. After that, you can use these right here as inspiration, or you can create a blank YouTube thumbnail, as I'm gonna be showing you guys today. So click right here. After you do that, it pops up in another window right here. You can how to title this, or else you'll just be confused. Because the title you put for this will be how you're going to see in your Finder if you use Mac, and I believe File Explorer for Windows. So I'm going to be naming this video example thumbnail. So for this video game example, I'm going to be choosing Mario plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle. You might have heard of it, you might have not, and I never played it in my YouTube channel before, so I'm just going to use that game for this video. So in here, I'm just going to search up Mario plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle, and for the background, a battlefield. So I'm going to be searching that. Images, which one do I like? I like this one. So I'm going to copy image here. I'm going to paste it, which is Command V for Mac and Control V for Windows. So right there, I'm doing that. Next, if you're going to be making a gaming thumbnail, you'll probably want a logo. So I'm going to be deleting this, and I'm going to putting logo. So I'm going to copy this, not copying, but I'm going to take that. And right here is going to be the pro feature that I was talking about. It's called BG Remover. It's going to remove this white background here. That's gonna be annoying. That will be annoying if you don't remove it. So, and don't make it too small, or else there will be no point of even putting it there like this, because you'd barely be able to see it. Because like this, do you think anyone's going to be able to see, oh yeah, there's something there, I need to read it, and then be able to zoom in? Because I don't think anyone will. So you got to make it a little big, maybe like this, and maybe a little bit more. And then you probably want a number, like which episode, or which video is first and stuff, so your viewers won't get lost to see which one it is, and not just rely on the name of the video itself. So I'm going to be choosing this one here that I found. I'm going to be you can change the size too. Don't make it too small, or else there'll be no point, like I said with the logo. So make it seeable, lookable. And now I'm going to be you can change the color too. I'm going to be choosing the color here as for red for Mario. Right here is viewable. And then if you want, you can put an image here. So I'm going to be choosing, let's see, Luigi, because Luigi is a pretty good character. I'm going to be searching Luigi, and I'm going to be choosing this image right here because I like it. So I'm going to be choosing, and I'm going to be Command V because I have Mac, and you got to wait for this right here. And after that, you have to press BG Remover if you have a Pro Canva, and you can do this. You can make it bigger like this, or smaller. So now I'm going to be showing you how to download it and what file format and all that stuff. So to download it, you have to press this share. You see the share button? You have to click that. Then you gotta you'll find this menu and how to click this download button because you need to download it. And then there's only like 3 file types you can choose. I only remember 2. I'm gonna name them. It's this PNG, and there's JPG, not JPEG like JPEG. It's JPG. This one right here. I chose PNG for all my thumbnails that I posted on YouTube. And another thing that's a restriction is the the file size. Yep, the file size has a limit. Has to be less than 2 megabytes. 1 gigabyte is already very small, so the fact that you can only do less than 2 megabytes is a very big disappointment. Even I thought I won't even be able to make it a thumbnail that's less than 2 megabytes. But trust me, it's actually super easy because none of them had that issue. Like the highest I've had for a megabyte, for the thumbnail, I mean, not a megabyte, is 1.1 megabyte, and the lowest was probably something like 900 or something kilobyte. I don't know what it's called, KB. So yeah, and after that you press download. You can change the size too if you want. I don't even see the use to it. So I just leave it at 1, you know? And there's a size they need to have for it, and it for you to thumbnail, it just puts it for you, so you don't need to worry about it. And after that you press download, and the name you put here will pop up in your file explorer if you have Windows, and your Finder for your Mac if you have a Mac. So yeah, I hope you like and subscribe because I put a lot of effort into this, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.